Dirt into Dollars, the Farmland Investment Guide. Ever wondered where real wealth grows? It is literally right under my feet. Welcome to the world of farmland investment. It is not just for grandpas in overalls anymore. Most people chase stocks, but smart people, they chase the dirt. I am Cooper, and today, we are turning brown soil into green cash. So, what exactly is farmland investment? Let us break it down. Think of it as real estate, but the tenants are corn and they never complain. Rule number 1. They aren't making any more of this stuff. Believe me, I have tried stretching the map. It does not work. As cities grow, available farmland disappears. It is a classic supply and demand dance. More people, more hungry mouths, but the same amount of dirt. You see the math? Your investment grows in value just by sitting there and looking pretty. It is like owning a piece of a diamond mine, but with better scenery. But Cooper, how do I actually get paid? Is there an ATM in the cornfield? Not exactly. You make money two ways: rent and crop shares. First, farmers pay you rent to use your land. It is like being a landlord but without the broken toilets. Second, you get a piece of the harvest. When the wheat sells, you get a slice of the pie. It is the ultimate passive income. The sun and the rain do all the heavy lifting for you. While you are sleeping, your portfolio is literally growing. Take that. Wall Street. The best part? People never stop eating, even when the economy is acting like a grumpy toddler. When the stock market crashes, people might skip the new iPhone, but they won't skip dinner. Farmland has historically been as stable as a tractor in the mud. It just stays put. It is an inflation hedge. When food prices go up, the value of the land that grows it goes up too. So, while everyone else is panicking, you are just waiting for the harvest. It is the boring investment that makes you look like a genius in the long run. Now, you are probably thinking, Cooper, I don't know how to drive a tractor. Good news, you don't have to. You don't even need to know what a combine harvester is. Modern platforms let you buy shares of a farm. It is as easy as buying a stock on your phone. You pool your money with other investors, and professionals handle the actual farming stuff. No mud on your shoes, no early morning rooster wake-up calls. Just pure, organic profit. It is the 21st century way to own the oldest asset on earth. In the end, everything comes back to the land. It is our past and our future. Farmland is a long-term play. You are not just building a portfolio, you are securing a legacy. So why not put some green in your green? Your future self will thank you. Go on, explore the dirt. It is more exciting than it looks. I am Cooper, and this has been Farmland Investment 101. See you at harvest time. Invest in the earth. It's the only one we've got.